The SmartCross-Laser GX 150cm from LaserLiner. Precision for exact horizontal and vertical alignment. The pendulum lock protects the device during transport, while the green laser technology ensures especially clear visibility. With a 1/4 inch thread and 2 AA batteries, the laser can be used flexibly and can be mounted securely. The robust tripod impresses with its crank height adjustment and height-adjustable legs, which allow precise adjustments at any working height. With a maximum height of 150 centimeters, it is the ideal partner for many uses. The SmartCross-Laser GX 150cm from LaserLiner.